Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think that this is a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we definitely had a big reaction at the 50% Fibonacci extensions, and we did break all of these highs, making new all-time highs, which is probably a big reason why it did make such a dramatic pullback. But I am still under the impression that this move down is a correction, and I still think it's going to go up at least to the 2250 area to finish off this wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we definitely have not broken any structure to the downside. I would definitely still consider this an uptrend. I still am looking at this move down as possibly being a correction, possibly making a higher low, and continuing up at least to that 2250 area to finish off this wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame, especially with the fact that we do have FOMC news coming out today, I do think there is a very good possibility that this move down is a correction to this move up. We are at the 78% level, so if it does make a nice impulsive and break of structure, especially on shorter time frames, I think there's a good chance that this is going to keep on trending up and continue to make new all-time highs. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I personally think this is a downtrend over here like a wave A. I think this move up right here could be a wave B, and this could be a downtrend right here for the wave C. I think if this goes up and breaks structure, that's going to pretty much prove to me that that is the end of an ABC correction, whether it's a wave 4 or whether it's just a subdivision of a much bigger trend. I don't really think it matters, because if it breaks structure, I think that's going to tell us that we're back into an uptrend and that we need to stop looking for sells and start looking for buys again. So let's head down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, we do have a break of structure right here, but the structure I would be concerned about is up here. That's what's going to tell us that we have the end of this big trend right here. And if we have the end of that trend, then that's probably the end of a wave C. If that's the end of a wave C, then that would be, in my opinion, the continuation of the uptrend. So we do have interest rate coming out today for the US dollar. If that does cause that to go up and break structure to the upside, that would definitely convert me from looking for sells to looking for buys. And based on the higher time frames, I still think that this right here is the most likely scenario, and I think that is most likely how it's going to play out today at the news. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.